Hello and welcome to Cadline's Dynamic Maps how-to videos. In this video we're going to explore the Map That My Community tool. In Map That it's very simple to find out information about where you live. For example, turning on the wards and the schools layer and using the information bubble allows me to understand where my nearest schools are and which ward I live in. To make this even simpler, we've introduced the My Community tool, which is accessible via the Map Tools menu. Having opened the My Community tool, summary information is shown about the centre of your map, for example the ward you live in or maybe the postcode. In addition, it can be configured to show your nearest points of interest such as schools or maybe leisure centres. Having manually moved your map, if you press update your location, notice how the summary statistics are recalculated. In addition, you can enter your postal address. Once you press go, the map will recenter and the information will be updated. The tabs at the top can be configured to show constraint information, with a green tick denoting you're living within a conservation area and a red cross denoting you live outside of any open spaces. The data tables below the summary statistics automatically calculate points of interest that are closest to you. For example, which are your 5 nearest schools. You can browse through the table and also choose to turn the layer on within the map window. You can then click on those schools within the map to show the information or open up the data table from the right hand side. Notice in the data table it lists the 5 nearest schools and the distance to your address. Why not have a play with the My Community tool for yourself, choosing to display other points of interest that are closest to you. In this example, 5 nearest leisure centres and my 5 nearest one-stop shops. Thank you for watching our Map That how-to video. For any further assistance, please contact our customer services team.